Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to make a FPS counter in Scratch. So let's get started. So FPS is basically frames per second, or how many frames are shown on the screen in a second. So if it is 30 FPS, that is 30 frames per second. 30 frames in a second. That basically determines how smooth your game is running. So to make it, first of all, you need a sprite which is actually doing something. So we'll just add a random, let's add this dancing thing. And you can just do anything, like when the green flag click, forever, next costume. It will basically just keep on dancing like this. Now make a new sprite and call it FPS. Make two variables, FPS and frame. Now when the green flag clicked, forever, change frame by 1. This will basically change the frame by 1 every millisecond. Now make a new script call when the green flag clicked, forever, wait 1 second, and then set FPS to frame. And now you can just set frame to 0. So this will basically count the number of frames, and every second it will just set the value of FPS to frame, which is basically frames per second, and then it will just set the frame count to 0. So it can just check the new frames. Let's see if this works. As you can see, the FPS is 32. Now FPS might sometimes exceed 30, and I don't know why that happens on Scratch. And sometimes if you don't have any script running, you can see the value just goes insane. So to fix that, put a limit like this. If else, then put a greater than operator. So if frame is greater than 31, then set FPS to 31, and then else you can just put your set FPS to frame. So if it is more than 31, it will just show 31, and if it is less than 31, which is like maybe 29, so it will show the actual value, which is frame. So you can just remove this block, put this below the if statement, and put it inside the forever loop. Now you can see it is showing 31, and even if you remove the script, you will see that the FPS value will stay 31. You can just hide the frame variable as that is not needed. You can just open your backpack and put this sprite here, and you can just import it in any project you want, and it will work perfectly fine. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching it. I'll see you in the next video.